In this video, I will show you how to block someone on Gmail quickly and easily. So if you are receiving unwanted emails, spam messages, or emails from someone you no longer want to hear from, this tutorial will show you how to block their email address in Gmail. Before we get started, make sure to like this video, comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe to the channel for more quick Gmail tutorials and simple tech guides. Now, the best way to do this is to find an email from the person that you want to block. So what I'm going to do is just use this email here. You have got a search box at the top, so you can use that to search for the person. And what you want to do is click to open up one of their emails. Now, once you've done that, if you come up to the top right hand corner of their email, and what you want to do is click onto the three dots here, which says more. On this menu that comes up, you're going to see an option to block this email. So just give that a click. And what's going to happen is a window is going to pop up like this, asking if you want to block this email address. To confirm, just simply click the block button, and as you can see in the bottom left hand corner, it says email address blocked, and you can see there's also a confirmation here. And if you do want to unblock them at any point, you just need to jump into one of their emails, and you're going to see an option to unblock sender. So that is how to block someone on Gmail. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.